Hello everyone, I am Hema Satish Sharma and student we are discussing the chapter pollution of air and water. So air pollution we have discussed and today we are going to discuss water pollution, the addition of undesirable and unwanted material in water which makes water harmful for biotic, that means living component of the atmosphere, and abiotic components, that means non-living components like water, air and soil is called water pollution. The things which pollute the air are known as water pollutants. Example are including washing of clothes, industrial waste from factories, etc. Now we'll discuss what is potable water. So potable water is the water which is convenient for consumption or which is fit for drinking. So how is water purified? So we know that there is a lot of water pollution. So various physical and chemical method in sewage treatment plants and municipal bodies help to clean water before discharging it into water bodies and households. So what is happening? Because of water pollution, water is polluted of rivers and the groundwater is also polluted. So before giving it to household or before releasing the discharge waste of industries into the water, various physical and chemical methods are used. So we know that potable water is suitable for drinking and potable free. Therefore, since we say that potable water is suitable for drinking, therefore it should be free from all the contaminants and harmful bacteria. The water which is not potable or fit is called raw water. And how you can purify the water? By boiling it, because boiling of water kills all the microbes. Therefore, it protects us from waterborne diseases. By filtering of water, that means filtration. Filtration is the process of separating suspended solid from a liquid. So, wherever there is solid matter which are suspended in the liquid, through filtration we can keep it away. So, filtering water can take away all microbes and impurities up to a certain extent. Chlorination is what? Adding of chlorine into the water. So whenever you go to a swimming pool, you must have smelled that particular smell which comes from swimming pool. That is because of addition of chlorines. So chlorine is added to the water by through adding chlorine tablets or bleaching powder, and this is used to kill certain bacteria. Now we can also construct a water filter with simple everyday materials. हमने क्या करना है? We have to take a plastic bottle and we have to cut it into two halves at the center. So we have to make two halves. The bottom one, the upper half is used as a funnel by putting it upside down. So the upper part is kept down and therefore it can be used as a funnel. Now you make a layer of paper napkin, fine cloth, cotton, sand, gravel, etc. So several layers are there, and now that if you pour dirty water through this filter, on the in the lower half you will get filtered water. Now, what are effects of water pollution? We know that the river Ganga is one of the 10 most endangered rivers in in the world. Pollution is so high that river Ganga is one of the 10 most polluted rivers in the world. Large quantities of garbage, untreated sewage, dead bodies, and many other harmful things are discharged into the river, and this is resulting in adverse conditions for the aquatic animals and plants which is residing in the river. The harmful chemicals like arsenic, lead discharged by various industries have led to many bad effects like impure water, acidity changes in water, etc. Now next is the usage of pesticide and weedicide in agriculture. What does it do? It mixes with the water when the rainfall is there, and then it seeps in the groundwater, and hence the groundwater is also polluted. Various diseases are like cholera, diarrhea, jaundice, etc. occurs as a result of water pollution. If the water has the bacteria which is present in the feces of mammals, so if the water is having that bacteria, that means the quality of water is very pure, and this if consumed can cause many infections. So what can be used do to prevent water pollution? some plans like Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1985, so that the aim was to reduce pollution levels in river. Industries, many laws have been made and they are imposed on industry that they should treat the waste, treat the industrial effluent or the waste which carry many chemicals. They should treat the waste and before discharging them into water. At household level, we can use candle type filter or other type like ROs for making the water fit for consumption. Moreover, water can be boiled before drinking. Chemical process like chlorination can be used for treating water, as we discussed. That industrial units should be imposed strict laws so that they stop throwing waste in water. Proper sewage treatment plant must be implemented in each city and by the each industry. The idea is to reduce, reuse, recycle should be incorporated for prevention of water pollution. Kaise hoga? How does it do? That we should reduce the usage of water. So if we reduce the things used by us, so there will be less garbage, there will be less trash, and that wastage will not be thrown into the river and it will not make the water contaminated. So each one of us should reduce our requirements. Then if whatever we have, we should reuse, and if the thing is reused or if it cannot be reused, it should be given to recycling. So waste prevention is the main key. It should be at the first place, so that if we are reducing our need, we are creating less wastage. For example, when we are brushing our teeth, we keep the tap open, or if you are washing our utensils, we keep the tap open and water gets waste. We should purchase durable, long-lasting goods. We should reduce the use of non-biodegradable things. What can be reused? We can reuse the things in our daily routine. Just for example, reusing water used for washing and for other household tasks. And for example, the water which is used for washing vegetable can be used to water plants in the garden. We can refill bottle, we can reuse boxes, we can reuse the cotton and jute bags, and we can use the empty jars for leftover food. What is recycling? Recycling prevents the generation of many greenhouse gases and water pollution and saves energy. Materials which can be recycled should be given to recycle. Then we should realize that this is our responsibility and we should start using environmental friendly processes so that we can reduce the danger which is coming to our planet, and we should look for the survival of our planet so that we can also survive. So we should behave responsibly as a responsible citizen. So what is the most favored option? Prevention is the most favored option. Minimization of resources or minimization of our requirement. Whatever we are using should be reused or recycled. Energy recovery should be there, and disposal, that is throwing the waste or garbage, should be at the least favored option. So this way we can behave environmentally responsible. Thank you so much. I hope this chapter is clear to you.